So here we have Grandma and Sean, and they're putting a train together. And the most interesting part of this evening, other than the fact I had to get up on my day off and take a shower, is we have Ava here, who in the middle of going into labor is having contraction after contraction, and she's decided to go ahead and get her Poshmark order together for shipping. Now, have you ever seen someone having contractions, packing so nicely? Oh my goodness, it's not even a Christmas gift, but this thing is being packed well.
Hey, the customer is always right.
The customer is always right.
I'm in labor. Yeah. She's just gonna say, "Where's my dress?"
Oh my goodness, where's my dress? So, folks, I just want you to understand how serious she takes her Poshmarking. Okay? Go to visit her website. Do whatever you got to do. You will be a satisfied customer. Because she paused her contractions to get this package wrapped. Take a breath. Take a deep breath. Okay, we'll be back. Maybe during the delivery, she'll be getting a label on. We'll see. We're back, folks. We're just trying to get this package together.
I just have to write my thank you note.
Oh, a thank you note. She's in the middle of contractions. Let me tell you something. Who thinks to thank someone while they're having contractions? She is.
Because I send thank you notes all the time. So let's see. Ashley, thank you for your purchase.
Oh, Jesus.
My baby thanks you too.
You better sit down. Oh my goodness. Folks, this is not a joke. This woman is really doing this.
Well, because today was Sunday, so I didn't mail it today, obviously. So
Right.
if I'm in the hospital,
Right?
someone can drop it off at the post office.
Wow. Wow. That is CEO material, folks. Plan ahead, be prepared, take initiative. I want you to all pay attention here, okay? Don't call out sick from work because you got the sniffles. This woman is...
The show must go
The
on.
show must go on. I got you. Okay.
I have to put my Poshmark closet on vacation.
Okay. Okay. You do realize I'm going to tell this kid that you were packing while he was trying to come out. Ooh, take a breath. And we'll be back in a moment, folks, to see how this evening continues. So, folks, it took about 5 minutes to get just the thank you card written. Because she was having contraction on Oh my goodness. But she's not stopped. She is still going. Guys, I'm telling you, you better suck it up. Do not act tough. Don't call out from work because you got a cough. There are no excuses. Just look at the exertion right now, okay? And when before all of you critics say, well, why isn't he helping? I'm not allowed to help. Okay? So, save the criticism. I'm not allowed to help. You saw that look, didn't you, folks? And there you go.
Thank you and good night.
So, folks, as I was saying, after packing and getting ready to ship that box out, we are now at the hospital getting things checked out. And there's the mommy to be part 2. So right now we are just waiting and waiting. I just wanted to give you guys an update to let you know we went from packing Poshmark, just sitting in the hospital, ready to deliver.
But I think they're gonna send me home.
Possibly. You never know. You hear that heartbeat in the background? Doot, 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 doot. My little man got a strong one going already. Probably can't hear it. I can hear it. Okay, folks, so we're signing off right now. Just wanted to give you that update so you see how serious this was at that time. All right.